Hi guys! So this is a highly requested video from some of my family and friends. Recently they've noticed that I've lost over about 50 pounds and they wanted to know kind of my secret and journey to how I did that. So in this video I'll be showing you a few tips of what I did to kind of help me on my journey. Just keep in mind this is not a weight loss promotion, and just a disclaimer, I'm also not a nutritionist or a doctor, so this is just simply my journey and how I lost over 50 pounds just replacing a meal. So these are kind of the base of my ingredients that I use for the salad. It lasts you about a week to 2 weeks, which is great. I have 2 bags of kale. I get all of my produce from Trader Joe's, and all of it, as you can see, is organic. So I'll use 2 bags of these kale, a head of broccoli, and a head of cauliflower, and then rainbow carrots. So keep in mind, this is just the base of the salad. This is what I put in a huge container so that it lasts me about almost 2 weeks. And then on the day of, when I have the salad, I'll add things like edamame, tomatoes, avocado, and some olives as well for some good fats. The idea is to add your wet vegetables and other ingredients the day of, so that the base of the salad doesn't rot. So one of the things I also do throughout the day is intermittent fasting. It's a great way to help with weight loss as well. What I essentially do is I'll fast till 2 to 3 p.m. depending on how hungry I am that day. The key is to always just listen to your body based on how well you ate the day before and how much energy you're expending as well. So I'll break my fast around 2 to 3 p.m. and I'll break it with the salad that I make every day. And it's a great way to have a system for yourself and to also know what you're putting in your body daily. But it's just a nice way to break your fast. It's very light. It's also really filling. It allows you to make better choices throughout your day as well. So here's the final product. You get 2 large bowls of vegetables, and this typically lasts about a week and a half to 2 weeks. And the reason it lasts so long is because I add all my wet vegetables the day of, and those can be anything from cucumbers or fruits such as tomatoes. I also mentioned olives, and you can add avocados too. So another thing I do to keep the vegetable staying longer is I'll normally add a piece of cloth. I'm just using a napkin to kind of show you, and I'll cover it over the lid. I'll put it in 2 containers like these, and what this does, it just it absorbs the water from the vegetables and doesn't allow it to go back down, so it allows the vegetables to stay fresh longer. So another thing I like to do is I like to swap out regular salad dressing for this lemon hummus that I get at Whole Foods. It's a great alternative to the heavy salad dressings that we normally have that are filled with unknown ingredients and just really high in calories. So what I do is normally I'll fill one of these large bowls and I'll have one of these daily. I know it seems like a lot, but it's actually the recommended daily amount is 7 cups. So this is about a little bit over 7 cups. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you'd like to see more videos like these.